Hello there, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to FX Billionaire Hub, and in this video we're gonna analyze the gold market daily time frame, or for today or in upcoming days. And as you can see there, after 2 days of gold volatility, that means gold downfall, today market is trying to rise up. Okay, so as per our trading style, we have to start our analyzing weekly time frame, then we can go daily and then hourly time frame to find out our entry. Okay, and weekly time frame, as you can see there is a bearish candle after last month's bullish momentum, and this month market just moved little bit bearish to take a little bit correction, and market is still on bullish trend and it's just trying to go up, or it's just ready to spike up. Okay, let's get back into daily time frame. As per you can see there, last 2 days we got bearish momentum from the market. You may ask, Mr. Boom, why there is bearish momentum? There is five terms for the bearish market. Number one is even United States dollar getting stronger. Number two is rising US treasury. Okay, US treasury is rising, that's why gold is strong. And in last 2 days just gold just got bearish due to United States dollar strong. Okay, and another key issue is it just hit last week, it just hit all-time high due to the where and traders take their profit from the buy entry. So that is another reason to take gold is moving bearish or moving in sell. Okay, and another entry, number 5 is short-term correction. That means, as I told before, market is moving in a range, it just taking correction, but trend is still on strong bullish momentum. As per I said before, US Iran were beginning, and the world are beginning with themselves, US Iran and Israel. Okay, Israel plus US defending on Iran. Okay, so or Iran defending on Israel plus US. So there is a little bit correction and market is ready to move bullish momentum or bullish right now. So if I want to take or want to draw support and resistance area, as you can see there, that is our key point, that is our zone, and market just trying to, here is a touch and again go up, down, again up, again down. That points are correction. Okay, and just to correction and rising up, that means it's just taking liquidity, grabbing more power and just trying to rise up. Okay, this is the current scenario or position. If I want to go for H4 time frame, as you can see there, if I want to draw the upper trend over there, that means gold is, there is higher low, higher high, again higher low. Okay, higher low 2, again higher high, again higher low 3, again higher high, again higher low 4. Okay, over there, and it's just trying to create another higher low, higher high here. Okay, higher high 4 here. Okay, that is the current condition or current situation. And if I want to go back or go for H1 time frame, we may see there is a support zone or support line over there. It may be from there to there. Okay, that is the support zone. As you can see there is 1 time, 2, 3, 4. There is a breakout, I'm sorry, there is a breakout, there is 4 time, and 5th time there is fake breakout and just trying to go up, and it's just following this trend line perfectly, so we can follow this trend line. Okay, and gold is ready to rising up. Okay, so what you can do now, because if you want to take hourly time frame, or if you want to take entry based on hourly time frame, as you can see there, sell is way long, and that means there is 1:1.5 risk to reward ratio. Okay, risk to reward ratio. So I always really recommend to take entry with 1:3 risk reward ratio. That means there is no 1:3. So in that case we will consider M15 or smaller time frame like M15 or other smaller time frame, or M13 time frame. So in that case I will remove all of previous data. If you want to take long-term entry, so you may consider all of them, and if you want to take short-term entry, that means today's entry, I will consider M15 time frame. Okay, so if I want to go for M15 time frame, as you can see there is a trend line formed over there, and if I want to go for the upper trend over here, that means there to there is a breakout from that particular line. And as per the price action theory, or as per the smart money concept theory, our next target will be where we can take our next target around that particular area. Okay, that particular area, and we can take our next target there, and another next target where it can be there. Okay, so okay, it may be not perfect, but it's around the zone. If it breaks around that particular zone, we will wait for pullback, then we can consider sell entry till our H1 support area. That means it's one support area, previous trend line, like there. Okay, you can consider sell there, you can take your TIF there, then upon candle confirmation you can continue your buying. Okay, but overall market direction is on buy. If I go back M15 again, or 15-minute time frame again, so as you can see there is our buying point. Okay, there is our buying point, that area. In that case, we will must have to take 1:3 risk reward ratio. That means if you take 100 pips SL, okay, you have to take 300 pips TP. Okay, this is the basic theory, or this is the basic scenario from Mr. Boom. I hope all things is clear now. We are updating a lot of things into our Telegram channel that is completely free, and you have to join there, link in the video description box. So that's for now, Mr. Boom signing out.